Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 6, we are going to do the exercises and question answers of the chapter body movement. Let us start with the exercises. First exercises, take the correct option. First question is, which of the following has a liquid skeleton? Options are fish, snake, bird and earthworm. So which has a liquid skeleton? You know it very well. As I have taught you, earthworm. Earthworm has liquid skeleton. Then number 2, snakes have special structures called dash that help them to crawl. So what have snakes? Cerci, fins, scales or bellies. They have scales. Which of the following helps the bird to fly? Streamlined body, hollow bones, wings, all of these. So you know all these three are important for a bird to fly. So the correct option is all of these. Then next is, movement is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of, you know it very well, muscles. Joint in our elbow is an example of pivot joint, ball and socket joint, hinge joint or gliding joint. So what is the option? Hinge joint, as we can move our elbow only in one direction. Last, we can identify the various joints in our body with the help of microscope, telescope, X-ray or stethoscope. So how can we identify the joints? With X-ray. Now fill in the blanks. The part of the skeleton where two bones or more bones meet is called a joint. Then dash protects our hearts and lungs. So our heart and lungs are protected by rib cage. The muscles of the dash enable the snail to move the muscle of the foot. Then joint helps in the dash of the body. So what does joint help? It helps in the movement of the body. Dash is the longest bone of the body. Which is the longest bone of the body? That is femur or thigh bone. Now state whether the following statements are true and false. Rewrite the false statement. Fishes have fins for swimming. This is true. The finger bone do not have joints. No, they have joints. Which type of joints have finger bone? Gliding joints. So the correct statement is the femur bone have gliding joints. The forelimbs have two bones. Yes, the forelimbs have two bones. That is, can you name them? What are the bones of the forelimbs? What are the bones of the forelimbs? They have two bones, or you can say they have three bones actually. First is the humerus, and second is radius and ulna. They have three bones, not two bones. The snail moves with the help of wing. No, snail moves with the help of the foot. Then next, very short answers. How many types of girdles are found in the human body? You know very well, two types of girdles are found in the human body. Hip girdle and shoulder girdle. What kind of arrangement is found in ball and socket joint? What type of arrangement is found in ball and socket joint? You know there is one bone is ball shaped, which fits in the socket of the other bone. How many legs does a cockroach have? So you know cockroach have 3 pairs of legs. Where do you find the hinge joint in your body? You find it in your elbow and knee. Give one functions of human skeleton. What is the function of human skeleton? Can you tell me? It helps in the movement of body and it gives shape and support to the body. Next, short answers. What is rib cage? What is the function of the rib cage? You know very well what is rib cage. Rib cage is a arrangement of 12 pairs of bone which protects our heart and lung, and it is form a cage that is called the rib cage, and the function is to protect heart and lungs. What are fixed joint? Give an example. So what are fixed joint? Joint which do not have and provide any type of movement is called a fixed joint, like the joint of a skull or face. Why do animals move from one place to another? Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter and to protect themselves from bad weather and enemies. We cannot bend our elbow backward. Why? Because we have hinge joint in our elbow that provides movement in only one direction. Why is mucus secreted by a snail's foot? Do you know why it is secreted? Mucus is secreted so that the friction between the foot and the ground is reduced and it helps in the easy movement of the snail. Shreya's grandmother is very old. She has pain in her knee joints and find it very difficult to move from one place to another. Shreya always helps the grandmother when she walks. Name the type of joint found in the knee. Which type of joint is found in the knee? That is hinge joint. What value do you learn from Shreya? We learn helpful value of helping or helpfulness and caring from Shreya. Then briefly describe the different types of joints in the human body. You know the different types of joint. You will describe all the 4 movable joints. What are those joints? Hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. You will write in short in for all of these, and you will give example of each. How do muscles attached to the bones bring about movement? That you can see on page number 74, activity 6. You will write the observation of this, and this is the answer. Okay. Then HOTS. Why does a child have 300 bones whereas an adult has only 206? Because as a child grows up, some of the bone fuses and it is reduced in number, and only 206 bone is left when a child becomes an adult. Imagine yourself with a vertebral column with single bone or fixed joint. How will it change your or affect your body? What will happen if vertebral column is made up of a single bone, not a series of 33 bones? Then what will happen? We cannot bend ourselves. We cannot bend ourselves, no? If we will bend or if we have to pick something from the ground, how will we do it? Our bone will break. So, if the vertebral column is made up of a single bone, we won't be able to bend ourselves. These are the question answers which you have to do. I am sending you the PDF also. Do your work on time and complete your work and submit your copies.